Hi everyone, this is Erin from Sandpaper Road, and in this video I'm going to share with you a craft haul of all the products that I got while I was at the Adventures in Stamping show this weekend in Akron, Ohio. I love going to this stamping show. I go almost every year, and usually I go with my husband and we wear little Sandpaper Road shirts, and generally that's because I don't show my face in the videos, and you that way if you want to say hi, you know who we are. And but this year he didn't come with me. I had something else to do, so I went solo, but that's okay. I'm going to show you the things that I got. I went to the Stampers Anonymous booth, and let me move this out of the way here. And I picked up 2 bottles of the Distress Collage Medium, and I have tried this before and I've used it up, and it really is a really great adhesive, especially if you do a lot of mixed media and stuff. And then I also picked up these new Etcetera tags. These are facades and stacking strips, and I thought I saw them relatively new, and I thought, well, let me pick these up. I do like working with these with this really hard surface to make tags and things. And then as I was walking around, oh my goodness, this big bottle of my absolute favorite thus far, Nuvo Deluxe Adhesive. It stopped me in my tracks. This is what I usually use, and I can't even see what this is because it's all rubbed off. I imagine it's 2 ounces. This is a 4-ounce bottle, which I have never seen available at the show before. I was just so excited about it. And then I stopped off at Technique Junkies and saw my friend Pat Huntoon, and they had just got in the Catherine Pooler inks. I love the minis. I love that because I haven't tried Catherine Pooler inks before, and I thought, oh, I'd like to buy a couple ink pads. I thought they were going to be like full-size ink pads. And she said, no, we have the minis right now. And I was like, oh, that's even better. So I picked up, this is Spa Collection Beach Retreat, and I like these slight, like these pale pastel colors. So I thought that'd be great to give it a try, and just kind of refresh my ink collection. I know you've been eyeing this, probably sitting on my table, and I can't figure out how to get it open, so I thought I better do it on camera because it looks like once I open it, it's open. The Barely Art glue. I actually make out a shopping list when I go to this thing. Otherwise, I go a little crazy. See how I can't get it to open? I'm sure I'm not doing something right. I just didn't want to mess up the packaging. Did you see how I about cut my thumb with the knife? Real nice. I don't know if that helped me. Oh, yeah, it sure did. Oh, see? I'm glad I did that. Oh, okay. Oh my goodness, look at this. This is what you get, the Barely Art glue. This is 4 ounces as well. It's just a different kind of bottle. And then it comes with the, what does this come with? The tip, the ultra fine tip, the fine tip, the storage tip, cleaning tip. Oh, I see. So you put this on instead, and then, oh my, it gives you all kinds of stuff about it. Oh, okay. All right, and all your little glue tips can be stored in here. All right, well, we're going to give that a try at some point. Yeah, that's pretty cool. A lot of different companies were carrying it, actually, so I was glad I was at the show. It's just something to pick up and hold the stuff, you know? So, yeah. I'd really like to do a glue review between all these different glues and things like that. And art glitter glue also, like compared to this, like I've tried that, but I haven't seen it, like tried it myself, you know, compared to that. Then I got this at Divinity Designs. It's a die set, which my son is going to graduate here in a couple weeks, and my oldest son. And the thing I liked about this, of course, there's a million things that say grad and congratulations and class of, but I liked how it was all separate, and I liked how this was separate, and the little tassel is a separate die. So I can make them different colors, and then I can also make like graduation pages or albums in other colors, you know, not just for my own kids. So that to me was a good tool to have. This also stopped me in my tracks. I'm telling you, I cannot wait to make this project, and I'm going to see if I can do it for Commit to Christmas, which we'll do in July. And I want to make an Advent calendar, and I have these perfect little things, these perfect little paper accents to go on all the boxes. But this is a die set. It makes little treat boxes that you like line up, and then you can put, like, you could fit the size of, I don't know, like a little Hershey Kiss or something like that in each box, and do like a pull out thing for an advent calendar. And it comes with numbers, which I thought would be absolutely fantastic, because now I also have numbers to go with my class of. See what I mean? And I do have a number die set, but I don't have one this size or this font. And so I thought these two together are just perfect. Plus, I could even use these to make little favor boxes for like on the tables or something like that, you know, if I was doing decorations for the graduation party. And then I got this. This is called the Hide and Seek Metal Die from Dare to Be Artsy. I cannot wait to open this up and play with it. And I know it's hard to tell from the picture, but Cindy, who is the owner, she was showing me the demos, like how they have their, and when you open up the card, like these two side things like pop out like little wings. They swing out when you open the card. They go and they pop right out. I said I have to have that. I'm a sucker for dies that do things because I love pretty paper, and hear this for what it's worth. And because I love pretty paper, if I buy dies, then I know that I can always use these dies to do different things with my pretty paper. So that's this is everything I got. It doesn't look like a lot, does it? But to me it's a lot. It's more than enough. So I will put links below to all of these things so you can check them out on your own. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and make sure to tap on the little bell that's in the corner to receive all the notifications, and then you'll always know when I put up a new video of the stuff that I've made with these products. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.